I'm Sash. I hope everybody is well and having lots of fun at home. It's getting a bit hot now, so I'm going to show you how to make a really cool fan. It's super easy. All you need is 4 pieces of paper. I've used 2 of one colour and 2 of another. You need 2 lollipop sticks. I didn't have lollipop sticks, so I got a little bit creative and fashioned some 2 sticks out of a piece of card, and then I just wrapped it up in tape to keep it a bit more stable. And then pens or paints or anything that you'd like to decorate with a little bit later, and then some glue. Okay, so it's super easy. We're going to get our first sheet of paper and we're just going to fold it in on itself. So we're going to do one fold like this, and then fold it the other way like that, and then just keep on doing that all towards the end. Quite fun. Like a nice little zigzag. I'm just gonna do this quickly to show you, and just keep on going until you've got to the very end. La 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 la. Okay. So here we go. Woohoo! So we have this. Now we're gonna go like that in the middle. Fold it in on itself like that. That's where we need our glue. Grab some glue. Put some glue on one of these strips here. Oh my gosh, my glue's broken. That's weird. Coming out of the wrong place. Okay. And then we just squeeze it together there. Make it dry. Okay, and then we leave that to dry to one side whilst we do the others. Okay, so here's one I made earlier. Haha. And what you end up with, so I did 2 blues, 2 pinks, and you end up with this. I'm gonna now add this to the wheel. Get some more glue, which is now all over my hands, which is just great. Goodness me, I need the new glue. Okay, and on the last one that you stick, instead of putting glue on both sides, we're just going to put glue on the one side, stick it in like this. Right, and now this is where our cool lollipop sticks come in. And this is why I said that you can use pens to decorate. I did some hearts because I just love hearts. I think they're cool. You can also decorate the actual fan as well, but I think it's better to decorate first before you start folding, so otherwise it gets a bit technical. Okay, now we just need some glue for our lollipop sticks. Don't put glue all the way on these ones because we're going to stick them on like, oh, where have you gone? Let's stick one on here like that. It's really hard to show you, but you'll see the finished product in a minute. And then the other one on the other side. Ah! Okay, and then we stick it on like that. Okay, so now you'll be able to do like that with your fan, and it just needs to dry. And then when it opens up, it is super cool. Ta-da! Bye guys, hope you have fun making fans.